Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm just about worn this pattern out, but I was thinking and I found out a better way to do it even still that I think will help everybody. I'm going to grab that, I'm going to Control D, I'm going to hit a duplicate, I'm going to move the center rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is, but it is. I'm going to rotate it 15 degrees. Now here's what I'm going to do differently. I'm going to take the original one, and I'm going to turn these two nodes, I'm going to right click and turn them into a cusp. I'm not going to worry about matching them up. Well, I am a little bit. I'm going to bring this one, but I'm going to bring it all the way to this line. And then I'm going to take my shape tool and I'm going to put a little curve to it. A little curve to it. Now, I'm going to take my shape tool. First of all, I'm going to move my ring out of the way for a second. I'm going to nudge it down. I'm going to take my shape tool. I'm going to grab my original and I'm going to select all these nodes and I'm going to right click and I'm going to break them apart. Then I can take my virtual segment delete key and delete all these lines and even this line. This is what's new about this. So now we just have that shape. We can delete that. Now I'm going to nudge my circle back up. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate. Move the center rotation to the center and rotate it 15 degrees. Look what it did. Control D, 30 degrees. And then just keep doing it all the way around. I'm just controlling D, Control D, Control D. Now, it shouldn't leak, but as always, I put a rectangle around it. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we took out quite a few steps and it didn't leak. Much, much easier, much faster and easier, and just by taking out a few lines and moving that around, we didn't have to duplicate left and right if you've been paying attention to those other videos. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.